Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss about the components of rig. So after viewing my video, if you like, please subscribe and share. Let we go to topic. What are the rig main systems? So here there are four types of systems are available. The first one is hoisting and rotation system. Combination of these two systems is one here. And the second one is power generation system, and the third one is mud circulation system, and the fourth one is well control system. These four systems we are having in a drilling rig. So what is hoisting and rotating system, and what are the components it consists of? So see here, this is the information of hoisting and rotating system. So hoisting means we are hoist the this traveling block with the help of these lines. So whenever we are lifting the load from lower to higher with the help of this hoisting system. And what is rotation means? Revolving. So because of drilling we are making like this with the help of drill string, so that is what rotation. And these are the two systems. And what are the main parts of the hoisting and rotating system? First one, mast and substructure. So this is what mast and substructure. Second one is crown block. The topmost point is the crown block. And the third one, traveling block. So this one is the traveling block. Why they are given the name as a traveling block means it always travels from the lower to higher portion, higher to lower portion. So continuously it will move, depends upon the operation. And the next one is top drive. So if we are talking about TDS, top drive system, it is TDS, otherwise Kelly system. So what is the top drive? It is a, already we are did one video on this one. So here where is the top drive? You see here, this is what top drive. And the rotary table. The next one is rotary table. Fifth one, here is the rotary table. And the sixth one is the drawworks behind. It is behind. This is here drawworks. And seventh one, drilling line. This is what drilling line connected to the crown block on the drawworks. And the eighth one is the deadline anchor. So it is situated in the downside. Okay, so these are the main components of the hoisting and rotating system. And what is power generation system? So in order to run our rig, we have to supply power by means of what is the system we are using. If we are using electrical supply, then we have to give a electrical energy. So what are the AC DC power generation system? Example like generators, control panels, transformer, DC motor, digital, driller console, motor console, center. So these are the, what is the purpose of generator is to generate the electricity. In some rigs they are using some companies like cat, depends upon the company standards, they are purchasing the generators. Those are what the engines, diesel engines. From that they have their connections, after that they will generate electricity. And the next one is control panels. So from that control panels they will know where it is going. And next one, transformer. There are two types of transformers will be available, so step up and step down. And the next one, DC motor. And these are all the information about the electrical people. Okay, and these are the information of power generation system. Next we will discuss about the mud circulation system. So what is mud circulation system? Here mud pits, mud mixing hopper, mud pumps, high and low pressure and shakers. These are the very important areas where we are discussing. First one is mud mud pits, and the second one is mixing area, and the third one is mud pumps, high pressure and the low pressure, and the fourth one is shakers area. So it is like moving like this in a cycle manner. That's why it's a circulation system. That is what mud circulation system. What is the purpose of mud pit? Is to store the mud, whatever we are using in the drilling. And mud mixing hopper. The purpose of mud mixing hopper is for the mixing of chemicals. Whenever the requirement of the chemicals, they will mix in the mixing hopper. And some of the examples of the chemicals are like NaCl, CaCl, CaCl2, barite. So these are the some of the examples of chemicals where what we are using in the mixing. And next one, mud mud pumps. High pressure mud pump and low pressure mud pumps. In high pressure mud pumps we have triplex and duplex types of pumps, but in low pressure pumps we have only centrifugal pumps. With the help of centrifugal pumps we are transferring mud from one place to another place. And the next one is shakers. What is the purpose of shaker? Is to remove the shales which are coming along with the mud. So with the help of the shakers we are separating the what are the cuttings coming from the well, and we will condition the mud. After again we will reuse it. So that is what the mud circulation system. And the next one is well control system. What are the components of well control system? First one is a rig floor mud manifold. Second one is inside BOP. Third one BOP stack. Fourth one choke and kill lines. Fifth one choke and kill manifold. Sixth one BOP accumulator. Seventh one BOP control manifold. So here you can observe 1, 2, 3, 4 all the information here available. So what is the rig floor mud manifold? In rig floor we have one mud manifold. There we will have some like valves to open and close for diverting the mud from one way to another way. So all this information we are separately dealt in a videos. Okay viewers, if you like my video please subscribe. Thank you.